we set sail from the sweet Cove. We were sailing away with a cargo of bricks for the Grand City Hall in New York. With a wonderful craft she would rig fore and aft. I know how the wide wind drove her. She stood several blasts, she had 27 masts, and I called her the Irish Rover. We had 1,000,000 bags of the best Sligo rags. We had 2,000,000 barrels of stone. We had 3,000,000 sides of our blind horses' hides, with 4,000,000 barrels of bones. There were 5,000,000 dogs, 6,000,000 hogs, and 7,000,000 barrels of porter. There was 9,000,000 bales of old Nanny Goat's tails, all on board of the Irish Rover. There was old Mickey Cute, who played hard honey flute when the ladies lined up for a set. He would bugle with skill for each sparkling quadrille, till the dancers were flutered and met. With his smart witty talk, he would cock off the walk, and he rolled the Dame under and over. They all knew at a glance when he took up his stance, that he sailed in the Irish Rover. Banks of the Lee, there was Hogan from County Tyrone. There was Mickey McGurk, there was scared stiff of work, and a man from Westmeath come along. There was Slugger O'Toole, who was drunk as a rule, and fighting Bill Tracy from Dover, and your man Mick McCann on the banks of the Bann, on board of the Irish Rover. We had sailed 7 years when the measles broke out and the ship lost its way in the fog. Then a whale of a crew was reduced down to 2, myself and the captain till dawn. Then the ship struck a rock, oh Lord, what a shock. Bowed it would turn right over, turned 9 times around. Then the poor old dog was drowned. I'm the last of the Irish Rover.
Thank you very much. You've been really wonderful. Jesus, if the pubs are closed, I'll never forgive you. This song doesn't need any introduction in this town, and let's hear you sing it with us.